What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disconnect Roblox account from PlayStation. So you might be wondering how to exactly disconnect your Roblox account from PlayStation. Now if you have your Roblox account connected to PlayStation, what you need to do is you need to access a few settings. Now with that said, first things first is you want to go to roblox.com. So access any browser that you can on for your Roblox account here. And once you've accessed Roblox here, just log in. Now, once you've logged in, this is what you'll be seeing. So this is the default UI that you'll be seeing here. But at the top right of your screen, you should see the option here or the gear icon on it. Let's go and click on it. Now, you want to go ahead and click on settings here. Now, in settings, you want to go to the left panel here. We have account info, security, privacy and content maturity. Let's go and click on security. Now, under security, it should give you options like two-step verification and also where you're logged in. Now, the thing with your Roblox account, if you have your account directly connected into a PlayStation, typically speaking, you'll see an option here or a button here that says disconnect, so PlayStation. So what does it actually looks like? So as an example, this is what it looks like. So you should see PlayStation, so connected with a PlayStation account. Just click on disconnect on the button that you'll be seeing there. So once you click on it, it will disconnect your account or your Roblox account from your PlayStation account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.